Good day to you, lovely, lovely people. We are doing Burger King. Today it's chicken sandwich, chicken burger time. And this was a suggestion by fellow food YouTuber Nifa ASMR. Check her out. So I'm doing the crispy spicy chicken, and this is the new Nashville hot chicken. And we have the hot popcorn chicken as well, the spicy popcorn chicken, why not? So hopefully I won't have to be forced to watch a bunch of mushrooms. So there you go. Onion rings will burn like so. The onion rings. Fun fact, the fast food saga continues. This is a 10-piece. They only gave me 9. I checked everywhere. Someone or just didn't put it in, because of course, why would they? Why would they? Now, not the worst offense from the fast food people, as we've seen before, but still, it couldn't just be baseline. It had to be slightly under, right? I tried a different iced tea. It's actually pretty nice. Actually pretty nice. It's good. We did Harvey's a couple weeks ago. These are nice. Theirs are better though. Oh, they also gave me the wrong sauce. I went barbecue. This is spicy. I don't trust Burger King sauces, to be honest. I've done it in the past. Sweet and sour, which is my favorite from McDonald's. Here is like a cleaning product mixed with sauce. So let's try this one, just for the hell of it. I think I've tried it before. Zesty thing. Let's just try one. So it's supposed to be spicy. Oh God. Okay, so like 5 seconds after you eat it, you get a faint whiff of spiciness, like a car that's like you could barely, doesn't count. So that's cool. Yeah, the sauce tastes like sauce. It's not my favorite, but I wouldn't say it's bad. Okay, so this is the new bad boy. So like the classic, like the Americans are having, chicken, pickles, a little bit of sauce. This one, different, tomatoes, lettuce. Let's try this one first. Nice and shiny bun. Actual spice, not bad. You can feel that it's chicken and not like some patties have. It's just like a dense chicken paste, you know, like the nuggets or the Burgers you'd buy at the grocery store, like the cheapest ones. So this is like chicken. That's good. All right. Nashville, this is an oily mess. Look at that. Good Lord. Nashville hot chicken. Like the bits where it's more drenched in sauce, it's pretty salty. It has a decent spice though. Not the spiciest thing in the world, but like decent spice. Chicken seems a little thicker than this one. It seems. Maybe this particular one. Chicken is nice. I like the flavor. They should just be careful with the sauce. Let the chicken like dry out a little bit, because half of the sandwich, as you saw, was like drenched in it. Now we don't have Popeyes or Chick-fil-A over here, so I couldn't compare. But when it's not drenched, again, it's the execution. The sandwich could be good, but they could mess it up. And they kind of did for more than half of it. But like taking the more balanced bites, it's pretty nice. I like having tomato and lettuce on mine. So it's not the same kind of sauce, the same kind of spice, but you know, I would enjoy this one more on average. If I had to get a chicken sandwich, I'd take the crispy chicken, crispy spicy chicken over the Nashville one most of the time. Because I like, you know, the chicken to have more company than just a pickle. 8. hunger has been satisfied at 97% actually. If only I had one more little bite. That's all that's missing. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed. Nashville chicken, decent when it's not sloppily made. The other chicken was great. The barbecue, not barbecue. Barbecue was the sauce that was promised and not delivered. The spicy popcorn chicken, ha ha ha, ha ha. Basically, either you get popcorn chicken or a slightly red looking popcorn chicken. That's the difference. So if you're feeling, if you're wearing a certain type of jacket and the red one would go more with your clothing, get the spicy one because there's no difference. So you have to go. There you go. Sorry. I'll see you next time with more food. And if it's junk food, expect another mistake because that's what it is now. That is life. All right. Bye.